today I'm recording B part, which is measure 65 until 100. Here we go. Stop right before 100. So I'm gonna go right hand first this time, so I'm gonna put second finger D. Now we have double notes, so be careful with your finger. C and E flat. Then I'm gonna hop to B flat and D with my finger 5-3 and series of thirds. That's the first phrase. So I'll repeat one more time. 1, 3, hop to 5-3. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second phrase. Start with 1, 3. Hop back to 5-3. I'll repeat this one more time. 1, 3, 3, 5. Next phrase, I love this one, finger 2. Actually, I'm gonna do 2 and then 1, D flat, D natural, third finger. I'll stop here and repeat again, D, D flat. Next one, I'm gonna go stretch my hand. Repeat this again from A, F, A. Next phrase, I'm gonna start with the F sharp, repeat. So, finger wise. And then we're gonna have triplets, starting from F, half steps. B flat. So let me redo this phrase. And then second finger. So let me repeat from this one more time. It's tricky. I use 4 finger on F. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. 4, 3. Now a triplets. Let me repeat this. So it's a 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to start from C, E. So I'm going to go back to C, G, F, Forzando fortissimo, very loud. So I'm gonna go back from C major, C minor, fortissimo, B flat, A, G, F sharp, triplet. Okay, I think you got that one. All right, let's go left hand. Let's talk about left hand. So it's a D major. Don't worry about the big jumps. On the bass, I have D. Then I have A, D, F sharp. Then I take all the way down to A. And same chords, which is a D major. But if you flip that A, that's what I have. So once again, D, A. The next is going to be F. And it's an E flat major. Inverted, so here's E flat major. I take that B, put it down, and that's how I get that chord. So next measure is F. The next one is F, B flat, C, and I have B flat, C, E flat, and then B flat, D, F. So let me repeat again from F, measure 67. F, B flat, C, B flat, then again B flat, then again F. We had that chord before, then F again, C, A, E flat, just diminished, B flat, D, F, and again. And we have D, D minor. Again, why is it D minor? Because it's D minor. I take A in the bottom, and that's what I have. D, A in the bottom. Then E, this chord will be A, D flat, E. Which sounds like A major. Back to D. A, same chord here. E, A. D. E natural. A, D, C. G. G again on the bottom, C on the bottom, C on the bottom, F, F on the bottom, right hand chords, A, C, G, A, C, F, B on the bottom, F sharp, B, E, F sharp, B, E flat, E natural on the bottom, A flat, B, F, A flat, B, E, A on the bottom, G, A, D flat, E, A on the bottom, G, D flat, E, C on the bottom, C minor, G, C, E flat, G, C, D, C on the bottom, G, C, E flat, G, B flat, E flat, and then return down to diminuendo means slowing down and making it softer, D in the bottom, A, D, F sharp, D in the bottom, B flat, C, D in the bottom, A flat, B flat. Don't worry about big jumps. Your muscle memory will take care of that. If you practice enough, you'll be jumping back and forth without even knowing. So I'm gonna play this one more time, hands together. So D, A, D, C, E flat with F, G, B flat right, together, A, C, F, A, left hand B flat, right hand B flat here, B flat, C, E, B flat on the bottom, left hand F, right hand C, E flat, B flat, D, F on the bottom, A, C, E flat, A, C, B flat on the bottom, B flat, D, F, same chord, right hand D, another D together, 1, 2, 3, D flat, left hand A, D, F, left hand A, D, F, E, D, left hand E flat, like A major, F, A, D, F, D on the bottom, right hand D, F sharp, left hand A, C, E flat, then A, C, D, D on the bottom with D, F sharp on top, A minor, left hand, A, C, D, right hand F, A. I know it sounds kind, oh, guess what, I made a mistake, F sharp, so let me repeat that measure. Alright, I forgot there was an F sharp at the beginning of the measure. Now this one is a little fancier. Now for every left hand B, D, F, we have 3 notes on the right. 1 left, 3 right. So it's gonna go left hand B flat, D, F. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Left hand G, right hand B flat. And then we're gonna do this again, descending from B flat, left hand same chord, B flat, D, F, and so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Left hand C, right hand C, E, left hand B flat, C, E, then B flat, C, G, again C, E, right hand, again same thing with C, 3 times the charm, B flat, C, F, then B flat, C, E, right hand F, A, left hand A minor, and we again 3 against 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Left hand F with C, left hand A, C, G, right hand G, and again that's the melody. We're gonna go left hand B, then I have F sharp B, E with E flat, and then it's such a crisscross type of sauce. Then right hand E natural, left hand E flat. So then we go to G, left hand A flat C, A flat B F, and again melody here, right? So left hand copy that. And we're almost down here. Left hand A, right hand A D, then we have G A, D flat E, and then D flat here, D natural, back down to A, same chord but without the A, G, D flat, E, A. Now it's fortissimo, so it's a C minor with double C on top. Left hand G, C, E flat, G, C, D, right hand B flat, then together with C, left hand G, C, E flat, G, B flat, E flat, gorgeous, then D in the bottom, written down, then diminuendo, so slowing down, making it softer, F sharp, A, and 3 against 1, then B jump, then D in the bottom, B flat on top, and B in the right, D in the bottom, and very soft here, Interesting, right? That's how we end this section, and the next section will come back to the melody. So we stop in here. I think you had enough.